You know, it's amazing how everyone in the world today seems like they want to be in a great space financially. And there's very few people who've gotten it done. You know, I would say it's probably about, you're looking at over 90% of people who right now, currently, today, if you look at your bank account, or you look at, you know, the lifestyle you have for yourself, you look at the time you have, you look at the house you have, you look at, you know, the things you have set aside for your kids, it's not where you wanted to be.
After the first time I looked at the material, like, wow, like, how did you know that this is what I needed?
There's 4 ways of learning that the wealth learn. They learn through reading material, they learn through one-on-one coaching, they learn through apprenticeship, and they learn through seminars. And we have a program that allows you to learn through all 4. Each and every one of you, no matter where you are across the world, we're going to give you an opportunity to be able to be a part of a Rich seminar October 6th in Las Vegas.
It just gave me that avenue to be able to flourish.
I saw it as a way of helping me to invest in myself.
So we're not going to charge you $4,000. We're not even going to charge you $3,000. In fact, let's scratch out $3,000. We're not going to charge you $1,000. We're going to scratch that out too. Maybe $500. You know what? We're not going to even charge you $500. We're going to charge you $199 for a general ticket to a financial breakthrough training in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're only going to allow about 60 to 100 people to be there. And to be in this room is going to be truly, truly life-changing. We also have a VIP. You get a chance to spend time and have millionaire talks and spend hours with individuals that earn a large amount of income, but also be able to learn and connect and spend time with those individuals. That VIP ticket is $427, and it covers the VIP on Friday and the general admission on Saturday.
The amount of people you get to meet, the nuggets you pick up on in all our classes.
You want to get to Vegas, you want to get your ticket, you want to get in touch with the person who sent you this video, and I am Ricky Bennett, the CEO of the RichWay Personal Enrichment Coaching Program, and I'm excited to be seeing you in Vegas October 6th. And for those of you who are VIP, I'll be spending time with you October 5th and October 6th. Stay rich, and I'll see you in Vegas.